Welcome back to Munich channel. Today I'll show you Koh Lipe's best restaurant, best pad thai, walking street and so much more. Stay tuned. It's a long journey from Bangkok to Koh Lipe, so we decided to stay in Park Bara Pier area. There are many hotels around this area, so choose wisely. And this is the hotel that we are staying. This was the scenery when we arrived at hotel. Welcome drink. Let's have a look at our balcony view. To get to the pier by Songtel, we pay 200 baht. We'll go with Lipe ferry. This time we stay at Sunset Beach, so this is a part of Koh Lipe that is quite peaceful. Today we are about to go to swim and I will show you around the Sunset Beach. We use eco-friendly sunscreen. I found it on the internet. No sponsor, guys. So excited for this trip. Now we at the sand beach close to Koh Lipe and we can watch sunset here. Okay, let's hang out. This is the best restaurant in Koh Lipe. They've got meat curry and vegetarian dishes are also available. I love that thick curry. I gotta say that their spiciness is irresistible. My favorite dish here is aloo matla. A must-order dish as symbolic is pad thai is so good. If you want to order pad thai here, they have crab, crayfish, chicken, shrimp. They have Thai tea. We order low sugar. Highly recommended. It's dessert time. After a meal, here's a gelato ice cream shop at Walking Street. I tried Thai tea flavor. It's creamy, flavorful, and satisfying. Here's a Spanish restaurant too. They claim it's authentic. From the seats, you can enjoy the panoramic view of downtown in Koh Lipe. The food here tastes good. I'm not gonna lie, for me, some dishes are quite salty. The place to watch fire show at Sunset Beach is Zodiac Bar. Don't forget to stop by though. I'm going to show you around Koh Lipe and provide updates. After visiting here about a year ago. After breakfast time, 10 a.m., we're gonna see our little friend sleeping here. How cute. This hotel is located in pretty good locations because if you get breakfast, there's a balcony that you can sit outside and see the ocean view. We are about to go to Walking Street. Luckily, our hotel provides a car service. We are waiting at the office. Here we are, Koh Lipe Walking Street. We've just got mango roti. Let's try this. The roti is without oil, without condensed milk, and the mangoes surprisingly sweet, even it's not in summer. When you're on the walking street, you have to watch out the motorcycle and the taxi too. It's not only people walking around. They have tiny shoes. This is new for me. Last time I visit here, I didn't see this thing.
And look how green the water is. So nasty.
Yeah, water make me feel uncomfortable. I rate the restaurant surroundings 10 out of 10. The juice is good, but we were disappointed with their food. They used frozen seafood, and I bet their salmon steak will make Gordon Ramsay furious. In my opinion, Pattaya Beach is a little bit more crowded and dirty. The restaurant that we tried the food today, there was a mistake about the salmon steak, which they made it raw inside. So when we asked them what's going on, they give us 70% discount. They apologized and said that they just put it out of the fridge, so that's why it's raw inside, and they try to fix it, but it still look like a mess. We'll show you another side of Sunset Beach. It's next to these rocks. We're gonna keep walking to another point. This is Sunrise Beach. There's something that you should consider. Sunrise Beach is the beach that people will gather their trash here. Where I'm standing, there's a bunch of worms. He was the pioneer of Koh Lipe. This part is his family's tombs. His Ulakla void, I found out about the sash tool. After Koh Lipe became popular, there was a conflict between Ulakla void people and developers. So, the villagers are facing unfair eviction. Hopefully they will have access to justice.